Hello, how are you? Right, so today I'm going to talk to you about Cuisennaire rods. Okay, so these were invented in the early 1930s, almost at early 30s then, early 1930s by a Belgian teacher called Georges Cuisennaire. And I apologise if I've said his name wrong there, his first name. I know Cuisennaire is right. And these are fantastic in so many situations. Okay, so I'm going to turn the camera around and show you what is going on. So bear with me. Okay, so here we have our Cuisennaire rods. Okay, and you can see they're all different sizes, but they're fantastic. Let me show you how this works. So we've got orange, blue, brown, black, dark green, yellow, light green. Oh no, not light green. Ooh, am I missing one? Oh, I think I'm missing one. Found it. There it is. Purple. Knew I was missing one. Light green, red, and white. Okay, now you can see they all go in size order rather, and that's what the first thing that they're really good for. They're really good for getting kids to be able to see relative size, relative length, however you'd like to put it. So fantastic for that. But these ones also can make any size you like. There we go. There's 2 in there. There's 3 in there. And there's 4 in there. When I pick one up, there we go. Oops, I moved the camera too much. There we go. Can you see? So you can use these little tiny ones. These are worth 1. So each of these has a value. So this big one here, this orange one, is worth 10. All right, which means you can then practice your number bonds to 10 with it. So if I get a brown, that's 8. And a red is 2. 8 plus 2. So you can do this, you can do your number bonds physically using concrete manipulatives so that you're not having to immediately go to, oh no, that's the wrong one. Is it that one? No. Yellow is 5, Jenny. Yellow is 5. There it is. Okay, so you can do that. So then we've got 6 there and a bit of purple, 4. And you can see they're making up 10 all the time, and you can use this one as your reference model. Okay, so I suppose you could say they're a little bit like bar models in that way, but these are older. We like these. Okay, so then what you can also do, because you can get more fancy with these, right? So what you can do as well is you can make shapes out of them. So let's just do this one. Now it's not perfect by any means, but there you go. We've made a rectangle. Great. If you had 4 of the same size, I have actually, I've got 4 brown, so I can make a square. Oh, there we go. Sorry, I'm concentrating so much on the Cuisennaire rods, I'm forgetting where my camera is. There we are, so we make a square. You can also use them to demonstrate area. So if I want to do area of a rectangle, there we go. So this rectangle is 8 long by 4 wide. So 8, 16, 24, 32. The area of my rectangle is 32 centimetres squared, or 32 millimetres squared, or whatever it is. Okay, but you can use your Cuisennaire rods to do area. So yeah, there you go. Hope you enjoyed that. All right, have a play with your Cuisennaire rods. See what else you can come up with. There's probably loads more that I haven't done. Have fun. Bye.